Okay, in this video we're going to go over, we're going to take a look at your site and the version 8 sites and go over them and kind of just tell you where things are at, um, so that you'll kind of know what each facet of your site, how to get to it, how to edit it if you need to. So let's just go ahead and go over the kind of an overview of the site. Now in the next videos, we're going to go over inserting your own Amazon ID and information into the site, and then we're going to go on to how to set up your site for automation. Okay, so for right now, let's just take a look at your site and go over the different areas of it. Right up here, you have these four pages that are already made for you. The About is a page, Contact, Privacy, and Sitemap. Now, the About and Contact page, you'll want to go in and edit those. So let's go ahead and go into the back end of the site, and I want to show you where you can edit those two pages. So this is the back end of the site, and if you were to click on Pages, and just click on All Pages, okay, right here you have your About and Contact page. So if you want to go in, and I recommend that you go in and fill out your About page, and just let people know what your site is about, and then your Contact page, and you can put whatever contact information that you'd like. And if you were going to do the About page, you just want to click on About, and it's going to take you to the Edit area. And again, some of you may already know how to do this, so just kind of bear with me, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of explain a couple of things. Now, right here, I don't want you to look at anything else on this screen, because we're going to get into all the other stuff later. But this is the information for your About page that you can edit and update. Okay. So you want to go ahead and do that, and you just want to make sure and click on Update. Now if we go back to Pages, you want to do the same thing for the Contact page. Okay, those are a couple things that you want to do first off. Okay, so let's go back and look at your site. The next thing we have is your logo. Okay, now there's already a logo on the site. Now you can leave it the way it is, but you also have the option of changing and putting your own logo. So I want to show you where that's at. For your logo, if you go to Appearance and click Header, okay, this is the area that you can upload your own logo. Okay, you want to keep in mind this area right here where it says 490 by 90 pixels. Okay, but this is where you would choose it from your hard drive and then click on Upload. Okay, and that will put in your logo. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to our site. Now this is your Amazon Carousel widget. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you where that's at. These sites are built on the Genesis framework, so they use widgets to build your home page, and really makes everything a lot easier. So let's go ahead and let me show you where this is at. So what we're going to do is go to Appearance and then Widgets. And again, we will go over all of the widgets, but right now I'm just showing you where the carousel is located. So if we take a look where it says Home Top, little caret, if you click on that, the first box that says Text, okay, this is going to be your carousel widget code. Okay, that is your carousel code, which is right here. Okay, so since we are right here talking about the carousel, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to insert your Amazon ID into the carousel. So what you want to do is look within the carousel code, and you're going to find the instances of only the best 23/20, and then you're going to replace that with your Amazon ID. I believe there's two places that you want to paste your Amazon ID over this. There's three. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Now, sometimes when you change the ID, it may break the carousel widget. If it does that, you will need to go to your Amazon Associates account and build a new carousel widget and get the code and paste it in over this code. Okay? And that will take care of your Amazon carousel. And then once you do that, you want to click on Save. Okay, so let's back up just a minute. Right here you will see you have three categories set up right now. Okay, all of your Amazon products are being posted into the shopping area category. And then of course all of your articles and press releases are going into the blog category, and then you also have Twitter and Yahoo Answers and going into the community category. Those are the three categories you have set up right now. Now I want to show you if you want to edit these categories or change them, you can. So I want to show you where you can add categories. So let's take a look at where that is. If you look under Post, and you're going to find Categories, so click on Categories. Right here you'll see all the categories that you have set up. Okay. Now, if you change the name of any of these categories that are being used right now, you are going to need to change them in your posting software. So just keep that in mind if you change any of the names of the categories. Okay, I would just recommend leaving them the way that they are right now. Okay, so let's just go to the right, and this area right here is an Amazon ad, and it's put there by a plugin. Okay, and first let me show you where this is located within your WordPress admin. So if we go back to our widget section, where it says primary sidebar, this right here is the 250 by 250 widget. Now again, this is set up within a plugin on your site, and I will show you where that is at. Again, we're talking about this ad in this widget. Okay, so if we were going to take a look at how that got there, we're going to come down to WP Amazon Pro. Okay. Now this is analytics. It's going to show you how many clicks are going to be, or how many clicks you've had on that ad. Okay. So if you were to go to Manage Ads, this is the ads that you have made so far, and right now we have the 250 by 250 ad, which again is right here. Now the first thing you want to do is go under Settings, and you're going to enter in your own Amazon information, which is your access key, secret access key, and then your affiliate ID. Okay. Now you can also change the look of your ad. This is going to be global settings, so you can change the look at every ad that you put on your site as far as using this plugin. But you want to click on Save Changes. Go back to Manage Ads. If you want to edit this particular ad, you can click on Edit. And you will see that it has 3 products. Each ad can have 3 products that it will rotate. This is the style of the ad, the color, background. And I just recommend leaving this the way it is because it already has good products within the ad. Now if you want to create a new ad, you're going to select the size. Okay, and then what you're going to do once you select the size, you're going to come down to where it says Search Amazon, and you're going to select the products. You're going to select 3 products, and it will put it in the ad for you. Okay, so this ad is your widget. Which again is right here. And it's under primary sidebar, the 250 by 250 widget. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the next section of the site. And that would be this section right here. Okay. And you'll notice this little divider that's right below the carousel. And so if we were going to take a look at this area, where it says Home Top, where it says Divider, this is your divider, and again it is a widget. Okay, the top area welcome, this widget is this content right here. Okay, now this widget is built with Widget Builder. Okay, so if we were to take a look at Widget Builder, okay, this is your divider widget. And here is your top area welcome, which is this area. And this widget. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this widget, top area welcome. If you want to edit the content within this welcome area, which is right here, this is where you would do it. Okay, now notice the name, this is Widget Builder. Okay, notice the name of it is top area welcome. Okay, this is the top area welcome widget. Okay, so you build the widget here, give it a name, and it puts it over into your widget section. So the top area welcome, if you want to change any of the content, this is where you would do it. And then you would just click update, and it would update on your site. Okay, so let's go back to Widget Builder. Right below that is this image. And it's called Best Selling Image. Okay, and it is built by the Widget Builder, and is right here. If you want to change this image, edit it in any way, this is where you would do it under Widget Builder, best-selling image. Okay, here's the image, and then you have the text, best prices on GPS systems is right here. Okay, now right below this is when the your content starts. But again, this is in the Widget Builder, the best-selling image widget, and is right here. You can even take it out if you'd like, or edit it. Now, this is where your content starts. And right here where it says Genesis featured post. This widget controls these posts. Okay. And you can see we have the category name. We have the number of posts to show, post title, excerpt. It can all be controlled within this widget. Okay. Below the featured post is a ad. And it is right here in the bottom text widget. Okay. This widget is this ad right here. And you would want to make sure and put your ID right here where it says only the best 23/20 and click on save. Okay, so that'll take care of it down to this ad. Now right below this ad we'll start another section of post. Okay, so for that section what you're going to do is go down to home bottom, and these posts right here, there's 4 posts, is controlled with this widget, this featured grid. Okay, so you can come in and if you want to change anything about this section, you can do it within the Genesis featured grid widget, which is under home bottom. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about some more of the things in the sidebar that you have. And I know that this may seem a little complicated, and I promise you, after you get used to it, it won't be a problem whatsoever. So let's go ahead and take a look right below this in your widgets area. And again, we're going to be talking about the primary sidebar. Okay, right under this Amazon banner is the shopping cart, which is right here, and it is this widget right here. So if you open that up, again, this don't have any options. Those are set in the plugin itself right here. Okay. Now below that is your videos right here. So if you were to open that up, you can, the first video is right here, and this is the ID of the video. So if you were to copy the link, the video link, this is the numbers and letters that are after the equal sign, and it's called the ID. And this is where you can change the videos. If you want to put different videos in, you can do that here. If you want to change the autoplay setting, just don't change the video width and video height. Leave that the same. And again, you can leave this the same if you want, but this is where you would change the videos if you'd like to. Okay, there's only 2 videos in right now, and it goes back and forth between the 2 when your site's loaded. Okay, right here, this is a widget, and it's called Empire Custom Search. So you want to make sure and open that up, put in your Amazon ID right here, and just click on Save, and that'll take care of that. Right below that, you have an opt-in area where you can advertise some type of free ebook or something for free, and this is your opt-in widget, and it is this widget right here. And this is where you can control all the settings within the widget. Put in your autoresponder code and any of the text fields. You can do that here. Just below that, is a tab section, and we're only showing the community post right here. Right below that is all of your entries from your blog category, and that is this widget right here. And you can control how many posts from the widget or posts from the blog it shows. I just recommend leaving it the way it is, but I just wanted to show you where it's at. Okay, so that'll take care of everything in your sidebar. Okay, we're going to stop that video here. I know these videos kind of get long sometimes, but once you go through this one time, it will be much easier for you, and that when you have it all set up, it'll be something you won't have to worry about. So we're going to stop that video here. In the next video, we're going to pick up with inserting your Amazon ID within all of the published content. So we'll see you in the next video.